Hello, my name is Tom Flax, and this is my Module 7, the Human Resource Frame for AEP 855 Educational Leadership. The first thing I'm going to discuss is Bowman and Deal's Human Resource Frame. Some of the things that I took away from the presentation was the resource frames based on needs, skills, relationships with a focus on skills, attitude, teamwork, and communication. Um, the human resource frame talked about 4 or 5 different things: leadership, alignment, strategic planning, decision making, communication. What I found interesting is how they viewed uh, the leader in the human resource frame, the leader being the catalyst to serve the needs of the people in the organization, and how you align the human and organizational needs need to line up together. Um, there needs to be a sense of belonging, a sense of symbiotic relationship in for the organization and how it needs to have the people in the organization, but the people in the organization need the organization in a positive way. Strategic planning promotes participation and creates a sense of belonging. Um, again, a sense of belonging. I think it's very important in this Bowman and Deal's human resource frame that people feel like they belong and it's a place they're supposed to be. The decision making and communication. Again, it's an open process, but it encourages communication, collaboration, and the need for people to feel like they do belong. So that's where my takeaways from the Bowman and Deal's human resource frame. Now, my organizational hierarchy. And this is how I see people and how they fit in my organizational hierarchy. Office staff, custodians, cooks, maintenance people, and transportation. I see them as the base for the organization for things to run on a daily basis. These people need to be in place and they need to be well organized and they need to be on top of their game every single day. They make the school go. Um, if one of them or someone is off that day or not on it, then it can definitely create some issues throughout the school. So again, the office staff, custodians, cooks, maintenance, transportation, my organizational hierarchy, where I see them, they're the foundation for making things run within the building on a daily basis. How I see parents, community, and alumni. I've got them on a pyramid here, but uh, all very important in their own right. Parents are very important because obviously, we're trying to lead their students and to teach their students how to become leaders. The community members are the people, stakeholders that we're trying to, that we need. We need interaction with the community. We need interaction because those are the businesses. Those are the people that we're going to reach out for and need help from, and in turn, hopefully they need. We're giving them things that they need and can look forward to. And the alumni. Alumni are really important. I know in many instances, alumni are ways that we can or look for to help fund certain things. Help us come back and use them as a resource to show, the students that are currently in our building. Using the alumni to show them what kind of things that are out there, and they can come back and bring their real world experiences. Teachers and paraprofessionals, those are the people that have the most contacts with our students every day. Those are the ones we need as a hopefully a future building leader, um, we need those. We need driven, passionate people, teachers and paraprofessionals that can help lead and lead our students, and they're going to be the first people most of the time, you know, that are going to show them the positive, right direction we need to be in. And students, very important. Students are pretty much at the top, and I know I'll talk about the principal here in a second, but um, you know, everything is we do from the office, custodians, cooks, maintenance, from parents, community, alumni, from teachers and paraprofessionals are to give our students the best opportunity to prepare our students the best so that they can go out in the community, go out after they get out of high school, and they're prepared and they're ready to take on any task that comes in front of them. So that's our they're at a level where that's where our basis is for. Um, our goal should be to from everybody should be to develop our students and get them ready to go to the next level, whether that be a job or that be college or a tech school. Doesn't matter, but that's our job. That's where our focus needs to be, is in the students. And I put the principal at the top. It doesn't mean the principal's at the top, but the principal should exemplify all those things. The principal, kind of like in the human resource frame from Bowman and Deal, they're there to serve the needs of everybody. They need to get everybody in line. They need to make sure everything's in line, and so that we can have a foundation and be able to develop students that are ready to go and attack the real world when they are done. Thank you.